The bucket mouse trap has the benefit of catching many mice in a single trap. It's also so simple to make, you probably already have all the parts needed lying around your garage. Using this DIY trap means you never have to purchase commercial mouse traps or poison again. You'll just need a few items to make this quick trap. These include a 5-gallon bucket, a dowel to go across the bucket, metal's best, like a metal clothes hanger, but wood will work as well, a tin can or plastic bottle, some peanut butter, and finally a scrap piece of wood for a ramp. So to make the trap, drill holes at the top of the bucket on 2 opposite sides. Then drill holes in the middle of each flat side of the tin can or bottle. Insert a dowel through the bucket holes and the tin can holes to end up with a unit that looks like this. Bait the tin can or plastic bottle with peanut butter and add a ramp for the mice to get up. The trap works when a mouse at the top of the ramp tries to jump onto the tin can to eat the bait. The mouse's weight throws the can into motion, which bucks the mouse off into the bucket below. The mice will then be trapped in the bucket, and you can then release them humanely in a location away from your home. What works for mice also works for rats, but rats can escape from a 5-gallon bucket, so use a 55-gallon drum instead. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to get rid of pests using onions. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.